Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Black color, violet color, green color, red color, light green color, yellow color, purple color, orange color, light blue color, pink color, brown color and blue color. किड्स इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे A, B, C, D and numbers 1, 2, 3. Let's trace. Kids, we are tracing letter A. A. A for apple. This is letter A. Kids, we are tracing letter B. B. B for ball. This is letter B. Kids, we are tracing letter C. C. C for cat. This is letter C. Kids, we are tracing letter D. D. D for dog. This is letter D. Now kids, we are tracing letter E. E. E for eagle. Kids, we are tracing numbers 1, O and E1. Now kids, we are tracing number 2, TWO2. This is number 2. Kids, we are tracing number 3, THREE3. This is number 3. Kids, we are tracing number 4, FOUR4. This is number 4. Kids, we are tracing number 5, FIVE5. This is number 5. Let's read again. A, B, C, D, E and numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.